Hey, hello friends. From today we will also be trading on the olymp platform. Means I already trading on the olymp platform, but from today I am going to put video. We will not use any strategy in this, just I will tell you some techniques on the basis of which you can take trades. And from today I am also going to introduce free signal from olymp trade. You can join the free signal from the telegram link given in the description. So let's start this video. We can trade without strategy because apart from strategy there are some techniques which we can use to win trades. As in every platform we have some options like horizontal line, trend line, that also help us in winning trades. So today we are going to trade it on basis, and how to use it you will learn this too. So here I have added some support and resistance. Based on this we will take a trade here. So here I am going to take a trade because there is a small support here. If the candle goes above that too, then I will take a trade of double amount on it because there is a good resistance there. So let's see what happens. So now we will take a double amount trade on this upper resistance. You can take another down trade here. After you use trend line here, you will know. There is a downtrend here, so the chances of going down the chart are high. If you use Bollinger here, you would have got the hint at the bottom. So here I take a downtrend for 1 minute. Same condition here too, there is a downtrend here too, so I take a 1 minute trade for down trade here as well. Even if you trade according to the chart pattern, you can still be in profit. There is a good confirmation here, so I take another trade here.